I don't think we elect a president to say nothing. And I think the current president and indeed previous presidents have stood proud. And the current president has repeatedly spoken out when he felt it was necessary in relation to peace, in relation to the housing crisis. And I don't think he broke any rules. He was in compliance with the Constitution. And he certainly gave people of this country hope. But I think you have a different role as president to reflect on what are our core values as a people, and how would I reflect that as president in compliance with the Constitution. And I think that's very important that I would do that, whatever the issue is.
Where would you like to travel to as president? Where is the first country you'd like to visit?
I think I'd probably go up to the north immediately as president. I would also like to go to Palestine. I haven't been there and I would love to go. I also think of the other countries, Sudan, that has suffered such terrible starvation and war. And I'm not singling out any one country, but Palestine has just shown the Palestinian people such resilience, resistance, and not just that, but I don't know how they've done it. They've showed a joy of living and a pride in their culture. But there are many places I'd like to visit.